Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we'll cover how to change the taskbar color, add transparency effect, and enable or disable dark mode. First open your settings menu, then go to personalize, then click on color. First you can select either light or dark mode. And for more customization, you can select custom. For example, to have a light mode for Windows and a dark mode for apps. Personally, I prefer dark mode. And here where you can enable or disable the transparency effect. Now to change the taskbar color, you can enable this option, and for this one to change the Windows color, now select your favorite color. Now if you're not happy with the color selection here, you can click on view colors. And that's it. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.